A 50-year-old suspect from Malukazi, south of Durban, is appearing in the Durban Magistrate's court in connection with 20 incidents of rape. The first reported case dates back to 2008, where it's alleged the suspect targeted unsuspecting victims in the Durban Central Businesses District. He's alleged to have raped, robbed and strangled his victims. We bring you now an update live from our colleague Vusi Khumalo. You're outside court. Give us a sense of occasion.
Yebo, sawubona mama. Yes, indeed, this 50-year-old suspect is set to make his first appearance here at the Durban Magistrate Court, as you have also alluded earlier, that his modus operandi mentions that he will then, from here at the Durban CBD, he will try to lure a number of women, and he will lead them to board a taxi from Durban CBD to Isipingo, that is south of Durban. At that particular point, he will then ask them to accompany him to a particular house where they will walk about, say, 3 kilometers, and then at a bush area, he will then strangle them, rape them, and also rob them of their particulars. But from here in Durban CBD, he will, according to the police, they are saying that he will, in a very reassuring and calm manner and very convincingly, he will ask those women or his would-be victims to accompany him to Isipingo, because as he was saying that he did not know the area very well, the area of Isipingo, and then they will then say, okay, we can then accompany you to that Isipingo area. They will then board a taxi where from at Isipingo area, he will then lure them again to that bush area where he will, rape them. But police, we are told that as from last year, they then saw this modus operandi or similar modus operandi incidents dating back from 2008 of a number of women who have come forward to report cases of rape. And according to the last survivor of rape last year in August, she told police that she woke up naked in a particular bush area of Isipingo after she was with this particular suspect, 50-year-old, who's making his first appearance today. So she was saying that she woke up after being unconscious for a number of hours, and then she reported the matter to the people who were on the streets or nearby streets, and then they went to police station where they reported the matter. But police have launched an investigation at that time. Then their investigation led them to a particular house at Malukazi area, which is about 4 kilometers away from Isipingo, which is one of the busiest towns here in KwaZulu-Natal or south of Durban. Then arrested the suspects, who also matched, according to some of the identifications noted by a number of victims or survivors of rape. The number of these incidents were then 22, according to the last case that was reported in August last year. But police arrested the suspect last Sunday.
Have we had an opportunity to speak to the families, just in terms of how they're feeling about this?
Yes, the families, even though we have talked to just two of them, the families are saying they are very concerned. Some of them are saying, especially with regards to the incidents that happened between 2008 and up to 2020, they are saying they had lost hope that there will be a suspect on this matter, because some of these cases happened a long time ago. That's about a decade ago or 10 years ago. So a number of them, they had lost hope that there will be suspects who had allegedly raped one of their own in their areas of Isipingo. And these women are not only from Malukazi or Isipingo area. Some of them are coming as far as as far as Inanda and other areas of south of Durban. So there's a number of people who have come forward and reported such incidents of rape, and there are 22 of them. But police have also asked if there's been any other people who may have fallen prey to the suspect to come forward, because it seems as if this suspect was on the prowl, especially between 2008 up to 2021, of which was last year in August, Desiree.